Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious Italian style sub sandwich for lunch. So let's get started. Okay, to make our delicious Italian style sub sandwich, we have a nice 9-inch roll here, maybe a little bigger. And we have 4 slices of smoked ham and 4 slices of smoked turkey. Yep, this is not your traditional style sub sandwich, right? But it's going to taste good. And we have romaine lettuce that we're going to use. And we're going to use Swiss cheese and sharp cheese. And a nice tomato, vine ripe. And a yellow onion that we're going to slice up. Okay, let's go ahead and put some of this aside for a minute. And let's go ahead and cut our onion. Now I went ahead and sharpened this with our AnySharp knife sharpener. And if you don't have one of them guys, go ahead and pick one up because they're a handy gadget to have in the kitchen. Alright, let's go ahead and slice up our onion. See if we can peel this. These always give me trouble to peel sometimes. If you guys know a tricky way to peel them, but this one seems to be doing good. Okay. Alright, I made a ladder out of me there. Okay, I usually have trouble peeling it. Alright, let's go ahead and slice them kind of thin. Like that, right there. Now you're only going to use maybe 3 or 4 slices of these, right? Just about like that. Okay? And we'll go ahead and put them up here where we can get to them. Now we're going to take our vine ripe tomato, right? And we're going to peel the vine off. There you go. And let's go ahead and slice that up. Now, we don't want that in there, so we'll just go ahead and slice that thin too. Thinner the better. Now you want about 4 of these or so. So, we'll cut another one here. Well, that knife's sharp, guys. Okay, let's put this aside. Get that up here out of the way for a minute. Alright, now we're going to take a roll and we're going to slice that in half. Now I always slice it off, look kind of crooked, you know, but let's see how we do today. Let's see how we did. Okay, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's put that right here. Now you can use vinegar and oil, but today we're going to use an Italian dressing because I don't feel like mixing up vinegar and oil, right? But just go ahead and use this. It really adds a lot of flavor. Don't forget to shake it though. Now just drizzle a little bit of that on there. Okay. Now you could dig out the roll and make like a nice pocket for all this meat. But I don't want to ruin the roll, so we're going to go ahead and just layer our meat right on there. Take your ham. Put it just like this. Boy, it's going to be meaty, guys. Okay. Take your turkey. Now that's going to be 8 slices of meat there, guys. So that's going to be meaty. Okay, let's take our cheese. We'll take some of our Swiss cheese. Really nice Swiss cheese, guys. Just go ahead and use it if you like it. Or you can use provolone, whatever you want. It's your sandwich, guys. Make it the way you want, right? Okay, we got plenty. I might as well put it right there. Okay. Now we'll take our sharp cheese and we'll put that down here too. Alright, now we're going to take a couple of our onions. There we go. Put them right here. Okay, we'll save these. And let's go ahead and take our tomatoes. Alright, and we'll save that one. Okay, it looks like I'm not going to be able to fold this up, right? So you might have to cut your bread in half completely. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll cut our bread in half completely. Just like this. It's not hard to do. Alright, now on top of that, we're going to season that with just a little bit of salt on your tomatoes. A little bit of pepper. We like our pepper. A little bit of garlic powder, because we like our garlic, guys. Alright, and I like a little oregano on mine, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take our nice romaine lettuce leaves, and we're going to break off a couple, and we're going to put it right on there. There you go. Boy, is this going to be a nice sandwich, guys. Big one. Alright, let's get our bread, and we'll put that on top. Just like that. Now, I'm going to spin this so you can see just how much meat and everything's on there. Okay, now normally I would take a piece of parchment paper and wrap it up and let that marinate a little bit, you know, all them flavors come together. But today, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it in half. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this in half, see how we did. Okay, let's see how we did, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. Doesn't that look good? Boy, is that going to be a nice sandwich. I mean, a big one, too. Okay, let me go ahead and have a bite. I can't wait any longer. Let's have a nice bite of this delicious Italian-style sub sandwich. And we're having it for lunch. So let's go ahead and have a bite. Mmm. That's delicious. The Italian dressing in there did the trick. And if you want to go ahead and make it your way, make it however way you want, right? Because it's your sandwich. But I like the turkey on there and the ham. Boy, is that tasty. And the Swiss cheese is awesome, guys. With that sharp cheese in the middle. Beautiful. Alright, you know it'll go good with this since we're having this for a nice lunch. You may have guessed this one. We're going to have a nice, cold wobble pop with this one. Boy, does that sound good. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Mmm, delicious Italian-style sub sandwich. That's what's for lunch today. Boy, does that sound good. Yep, I just got to have another little bite. Nice. Mmm. Is that good? Catch you on the next one.